Welcome to Section 1 of our Instagram Ads video training. In this section, we'll talk about what's Instagram and why you use it for your business, what are Instagram ads all about, and what ad solutions is Instagram actually offering. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What's Instagram and why use it for your business? Most of the successful businesses today are leveraging the advantages of social media as a marketing strategy due to the increasing popularity of visual content. Social media marketing has become an important asset that helps brands create their presence in the online market. With the different social media platforms today, it is now easier to communicate visually with customers, followers, and fans. One of the most popular and widely used social media platforms today is Instagram. What is Instagram? Instagram is a social networking application that is designed for sharing videos and photos using smartphones and other devices. As with Twitter and Facebook, Instagram users also have their own account with their profile and newsfeed. The app was created by Mike Krieger and Kevin Systrom and was released on October 10, 2010. It instantly became popular and gained more than 100 million users in April 2012 and more than 300 million in December 2014. Photos and videos posted by users on Instagram are automatically displayed in their profiles. Instagram users can follow each other and see each other's posts on their newsfeed. Instagram is actually Facebook's simplified version. The only difference is that its emphasis is on video and photo sharing only. It's a social media app, and therefore it is very simple to interact with other Instagram users by just following them, liking, tagging, and commenting on their videos and photos, as well as private messaging them. Instagram benefits for businesses. Using Instagram as a social media platform for your business gives you a lot of perks and opportunities for generating more profit. Here's a closer look at the major benefits of using Instagram for your business. Increase customer engagement. Most of the time, brand posts and updates on Twitter and Facebook are overlooked by users. This is not true for the users of Instagram, because if your Instagram account is active and posts relevant and interesting content, you will gain higher engagement from followers, customers, and potential customers. The latest study of Instagram has found that its content is 58 times more engaging compared to Facebook and generates 120 times more engagement than Twitter. Build identity and trust. As your brand becomes more popular on Instagram due to engaging content, it eventually helps your business gain the trust of your target audience. With the nature of online marketing, Instagram can significantly help you build an emotional connection with your customers. Using Instagram allows you to keep your customers updated with your business's daily experiences in a casual way, giving your business a personal appeal. Photos are also helpful to make your business look more trustworthy and attractive. Increase traffic. Although there are no options for you to include links in your Instagram updates, it is still very powerful to increase traffic. If you have a high percentage of engagement and traffic on Twitter and Facebook, you also maintain a strong profile on Instagram to increase your business's visibility. Gain a competitive advantage. There is far lesser competition for your business on Instagram compared to Twitter or Facebook. Surveys show that only 2% of small-scale businesses are currently leveraging the benefits of Instagram. This means that if you start using Instagram actively today, you can gain a relative advantage over your competitors. Businesses that use Instagram as a marketing strategy are more likely to reach their audience easier than on Twitter or Facebook, where competition is higher. Reach your target market faster. If your target audience is people who are born in the 1980s through the 1990s, millennials, you'll find that 37% of the people in this age bracket are on Instagram. If you want to reach out and connect with a crowd that is under the age of 30, you definitely need to have an Instagram account for your business. Free advertising. Yes, you read it right. Advertising is absolutely free on Instagram. You should not miss this great opportunity to promote your products or services. Actively updating your Instagram profile with your product or service line generates massive exposure for your business. It allows you to show your audience more of the things you offer. With these significant benefits, you probably know by now that it is a powerful tool for you to create relevant visual content for your audience. With the fact that almost all people are now using smartphones and other devices, it is impossible for your business not to gain more presence online. Instagram shocking facts. Do you know how popular Instagram is today? Ever since its release in 2010, it has drastically gained its own spotlight in the digital world. People prefer using it because it is more direct, with real-time video and a photo-sharing platform. Below are shocking facts about Instagram that you might want to know. Instagram now has 600 million active users. 75% of Instagram users are outside the U.S. Over 60% of users log in daily, making it the second most engaged network after Facebook. 30% of Internet users are now on Instagram. 90% of Instagram users are younger than 35. When Instagram introduced videos, more than 5 million were shared in 24 hours. Instagram clocks up to 3.5 billion likes every day. Pizza is the most popular food on Instagram, behind sushi and steak. On an average day, 80 million photos are shared. Instagram usage has doubled in the last 2 years. 48.8% of brands are on Instagram. By 2017, this is predicted to rise to 70.7%. If we only look at the top 100 brands in the world, 90% have an Instagram account. 96% of U.S. fashion brands are on Instagram. Outside China, almost 50% of Instagram users conduct product research on social media. Engagement with brands on Instagram is 10 times higher than with Facebook, 54 times higher than on Pinterest, and 84 times higher than Twitter. Over a third of Instagram users have used their mobile device to purchase a product online, making them 70% more likely to do so than non-users. 50% of Instagrammers follow brands, making them the social networkers who are most likely to do so. Posts that include another handle gain 56% more engagement. Posts with at least one hashtag gain 12.6% more engagement. And posts with a location receive 79% more engagement. Photos see more engagement than videos on Instagram. The average engagement per post has grown by 416% compared to 2 years ago. And 70% of the most used hashtags are branded. There are many reasons why you should start using Instagram for your business. With Instagram, you can now improve your marketing strategy by engaging your audience with your brand in a visual way. Grab this unique marketing opportunity and see how it can help your business succeed.